Hey guys, so as you may know, the iPhone 6 doesn't have dark mode on it, but there's actually a way that you can get around this, and the first method to do it is to open settings. Next, go down to general and press on accessibility, then press on display accommodations and press on invert colors and enable smart invert. And now you can see that the iPhone 6 has dark mode installed. But the problem is that some apps don't support smart invert, so what happens is that all the colors get inverted. But there is actually a second solution for this, and to do it, what you want to do is open Safari and search for ipa-app.me, and once it's loaded, go down to Uncover version 8.0.2 and press on get. It could take like up to a few minutes, but eventually it'll work. And if it takes you to a separate ad, then just close out of it. And eventually it should take you to this page. And let's just wait a moment for this to load. And once it's loaded, there will be a button that says skip this ad. Just keep on pressing on it until it works. And once it works, there will be a button that says install. Just press on it. And now an app called Uncover should be installing. It should take a little while to load, but once it's loaded and you try to open it, it'll say that the developer is untrusted. So what you want to do next is open settings, and let's go back and press on general and go down to device management and press on the first button at the top and press on trust again, and now the app will be trusted. So now you should be able to open it and press on jailbreak. Now this is actually the hardest part of the tutorial. You have to constantly do it over and over again until it works, and it could even take up to 1 hour, but eventually it'll go through all the steps and it'll say that the jailbreak is completed. So then what it's going to do is it's going to restart the iPhone, and once your iPhone restarts, just go ahead and log back in. And once you've logged into your iPhone, you'll see that there's now going to be 2 new apps on it, and the app that you want to choose is Cydia. Just go ahead and tap on it, and once it's loaded, press on sources and press on the edit button and press on add, and over here type in repo.hackyouriphone.org, and over here press on upgrade essential. And now let's finish typing the link. And once you're finished typing the link, go ahead and press on add source and press on add anyway. And now let's just wait for this to load and press on return to Cydia. Press on upgrade essential again and press on confirm. And press on return to Cydia. And now you'll see that there's now a new source here in Cydia called Hack Your iPhone. And then press on the search area and search for Noctis 12. And once you've done that, you just press on Noctis 12 and tap on install. Press on confirm and just wait for this to load. And press on restart springboard, and now just wait for your iPhone to restart. And once it's finished, just log back in. And now if you go to control center and you hold on the brightness, you'll see that there's now an option for dark mode. And for example, if we open settings, you'll see that there's now a dark theme on it, and you could actually add dark mode to control center by scrolling down and pressing on control center and press on customize controls and scroll down until you find Noctis toggle and press on the plus icon next to it. Now if you open control center, you can now enable and disable dark mode.